project to do today. This week is all going to be about printing. And today we are going to make some marbelized paper with just simple shaving cream and some food coloring. So I'm going to stand up here so you can better see. I have a tray here. You can use a dish or something with edges. I also have a cookie sheet I'm going to be using. What you're going to do is shake up your shaving cream and going to put it on. You can use just about that much. And then you're going to take some of your food coloring. I put some blue. I'm going to put a little yellow. You can use this liquid food coloring. You can also use the tube food coloring. So I'm going to pick this up and show you what I have here in just a minute. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so just some colors in there. Then I'm going to take, you can use any kind of tool. I have a comb. I have a spatula, and we're going to use this spatula a couple times. But you can take, and all you're going to do is just move that food coloring through the shaving cream. So can you see what I'm doing here? Just going to kind of move it through. You don't want to blend too much because you can use this a couple times. So I have it blended there. I'm going to take a piece of paper. You can use any kind of paper. You could even use colored paper, and I'm going to place that down. I'm going to kind of smush it in there a little. I'm going to pick it up. I want you to see what that looks like. I'm going to let that sit a minute. I'm going to put that on the tray. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do one more again. So I want you to look at that shaving cream. Some really nice designs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull through, and I'm just going to put one little dot here. Just add a little more color. The fun thing is to just kind of play with this. I'm going to take another piece of paper, and I'm going to put it down. Remember, I have that sheet over there just sitting. Okay, so I pushed it down again. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to set that one right here on this tray. So my second one is here. I'm going to move this. I'm going to take this first one here. Okay, it still has shaving cream on it. What you need to do is then take and scrape off the extra shaving cream. Now remember, I let this paper sit for a minute, and that allows the food coloring to kind of soak in the paper. So I'm going to show you what I have here. Okay, so then what you do is just let this paper dry. Then you can use this paper for whatever you want. I'm going to do that second one because what you see on top is very different. Okay, that's what it looks like now. Again, I'm going to take, and I'm going to just take and squeeze that off. So the fun thing about the food coloring, you can get that right at the grocery store. I actually got the shaving cream for $1 at the dollar store. I have two kinds. One of the kinds of food coloring I have is a neon food coloring. So you can see this is really cool. I did a few of them earlier, and each one you have is going to come up with a different effect depending on the colors. So the fun thing is to just play around with the shaving cream the beauty of this is, so I have all the shaving cream now, I'm going to take it to the sink and just wash it away, and that's how quick the cleanup is. The food coloring, it might stain your hands a little because that's what's staying on the paper, but everything will eventually wash off. So this is kind of a fun project, easy, and what great results. So go have some fun and make some fun marbleized paper with shaving cream and food coloring. See you later. Bye.